There are countless fascinating cities around the world, each with its unique charm and allure, and I would want to visit many of them. However, one big city that has always piqued my interest and captivated my imagination is Tokyo, the bustling capital of Japan. The big city I would like to visit is Tokyo, renowned for its futuristic technology, rich cultural heritage, and vibrant cityscape. It is a melting pot of ancient traditions and modern innovation, making it a truly captivating destination. To travel to Tokyo, I would opt for a combination of air travel and public transportation. I would book a flight and then utilize extensive train system to navigate within the city. While in Tokyo, I'd explore historic landmarks, such as the majestic Tokyo Imperial Palace and the serene Senso-ji Temple. I would also delve into the vibrant street culture by wandering through neighbourhoods like Harajuku and Shibuya, known for their fashion, entertainment, and eclectic atmosphere. Additionally, I would indulge in the culinary delights, savouring sushi at Tsukiji Fish Market and experiencing the uniqueness of themed cafes. There are several reasons why I would like to visit Tokyo. Firstly, I am fascinated by the seamless blend of traditional and modern elements that define this city. From ancient temples to cutting-edge technology, Tokyo offers a remarkable contrast that I find intriguing. Exploring the city's vibrant neighborhoods, trying authentic Japanese dishes, and experiencing the warmth and hospitality of the Japanese people are all factors that contribute to my desire to visit Tokyo.